Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium install, upgrade, uninstall series, in this video we'll see how to install multiple extensions, that is drivers and plugins in one go. That is, I want to install UI Automator 2, xcuitest and espresso drivers and plugins images at once. Okay, because in previous videos we have seen how to install the each and every drivers individually. Okay, but by using this apm setup mobile command, okay, that is a setup command. By using setup command we can able to install, okay, these three drivers and plugins at once. Okay, this will make our installation process very easy here. Okay, let's see how we can able to use this setup command here. Okay, see, the use of setup command, by using setup command aims to simplify the installation process of setting up the APM. Okay, and the second one is it allows to install multiple extensions, either drivers or plugins in one go without need to run individually. See what happened in our previous videos we have seen, we have to install UI automated driver. I had to use this command apm driver install UI automator 2, and I want to install xcuitest. I had to use this command once again. If I want to install this uh, espresso, I had to use this command installation command once again. Okay, if we come to plugins, I had to install this plugin separately. So all these three drivers, one plugin, I had to use this install command for 4 times with different extension names here. Okay, but by using this setup command I can install these three drivers, that is a UI automator 2 driver, xcuitest and espresso, and in plugins, image plugins, I can install all these four at once. Okay, which is a very cool option here, right? Okay, so, and here we have to note one thing is, if we are attempting to install, okay, by using setup command, if the extension is already installed, okay, if all the extension is already installed, then it will not install that present extension. It will install only the missed extension. It may be case with the plugin or driver. Okay, so we had to use the preset mobile here, and the installation command I had to use is apm space setup space mobile, or I can use apm space setup. Okay, now we will run this command here. Okay, we use the apm setup here. Okay, so open the command prompt. First of all, I want to list of apm drivers in my system. So I use apm space driver space list. I using list command here to list all the available drivers. So in my system no drivers are installed here. The same case I want to check with the plugins. So regarding this list command, already I made a video. I provide the icon here to just check that video. Okay, now I want to check the list of plugins here. So only the reporter plugin is installed. Okay, now I use this setup command to install these three drivers and plugin here. So the command is apm space setup space mobile, or apm space setup. Okay, so come back to our command prompt. So apm space setup command, and I am using a mobile here. Okay, so this command I am using here. Okay, now command, I run this command. See, by using this apm space setup space mobile command, I am installing the all three drivers, that is the UI automated 2 driver, xcuitest driver and espresso driver, and one plugin, that is the images here. So, and it will be the latest version. Automatically the apm will find out the latest version and it will install here. See, now it is installing the espresso driver here. You can see here it says driver UI automator 2, the version is 3.9.6 successfully installed, and here installing the espresso here. Okay, now it is installing for the image plugin here. Okay, see, he can able to check. I will run once again. See, you can able to check. See here, it installed this UI automator to espresso drivers, and it install the image drivers. But as per this PPT, it says it will install the xcuitest here. Why you missed here is, see, when we are checking in, when you are installing this command, by using this command in Windows, it will not install the xcuitest driver, because if you want to use xcuit driver, I need to have the xcode here. So please make a note of here is that if we are running the setup command, setup mobile command in Windows, it will install only xcuit. It will install only UI automator 2 and espresso driver and image plugin. If you run the same command in the Mac machine, okay, in terminal, it will install UI automator 2, espresso and xcuit drivers, 3 drivers and image plugin. So this is the only thing we need to keep in mind. Okay, now what I will do, I will run this command appium space driver space list to check the list of drivers here. So see, I have the UI automator to driver and espresso got installed here. The same thing I will check the appium space plugin. I want to check list of plugin driver installed here. So I use appium space plugin space list. So the image plugin is installed here. So this is a use of command appium space setup space mobile. By using this setup command, okay, we can able to install drivers, UI automator to drivers, xcuitest and espresso and plugin images in one go. So this is a use of the setup command here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy learning. Bye.